Hey there! Today I have another Trendsend to unbox. So I don't do Trendsend on a regular basis or a monthly basis. I just kind of like request a box every once in a while. And the way it works though is there's no styling fee, so that's really nice. And shipping is free both ways, so there's really no risk in getting a box. I guess the only risk is that you're going to spend a lot of money because Trendsend does tend to be pretty expensive. The last box I got though, I had requested some sale items and they did deliver and they sent me a bunch of sale items. And also I got these Spanx jeggings that I had requested and they were kind of pricey. I think they were over $100, but I've been using them a lot. So cost per wear, it's worth it. But anyway, so I decided to request another box, and thanks to you guys, I do have a discount on this box. So if a friend signs up with Trendsend using your referral link, you get 20% off your entire box. So that's a really good deal. So anyway, let's see what I got, and let's hope it's not too expensive. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. And it's a big box, and it's actually kind of bust up because for some reason the box got sent to the North Shore before it came to me. Yeah, I was watching the tracking and I'm like, where is this box going? But it did get to me maybe a couple days late. But anyway, so with Trendsend, it used to be that you get three outfits, but I think now there's just like 2 bundles. And here's bundle number 1. Looks like a big chunky sweater and some very earthy colors things. And here is bundle number 2. And let's see what my note says. And my stylist this time is Rachel G. And you do normally get a different stylist with Trendsend every time because it basically comes from the Evereve store, and it could be from a store anywhere in the country unless you specifically request a specific store. So on your note, they mention the outfits and how to style them. So there's not a picture like with Stitch Fix, but they do give you some helpful hints. And this is a pretty lengthy note, so I'm gonna have to just read it on my own and then I will kind of I'll summarize it. Okay, so I read the letter. This is a very good detailed letter, very personalized actually. And one thing I can recommend, if you're gonna use the service, you should go to the Evereve store and sign up for an account and then put a lot of things in your wish list. So that's what I did, and I've done this the last box too. And it looks like, boy, they really do look at that. And you know, she has really personalized this box. I'm very impressed with the detail that she's put in, even talking about how to care for the fabrics. So wow, that's pretty impressive. So Rachel, I'm very impressed and looking forward to see what you sent me. Also, looking at the invoice, boy, one thing I've noticed in the past is that Trendsend tends to be very pricey. I mean, I've been sent jeans that were like close to the $200 range, and that's just for me not in my budget. Yeah, but this invoice here looks pretty affordable, and looks promising. Okay, we're gonna start with the big bundle. Okay, and I had asked her for animal print because I don't really own too much animal print. Do I own anything? But I've been kind of thinking that I want to try. So I did ask for some animal print, and she sent this t-shirt. And she thought this might be something that's not too crazy, I guess. And it's by Chaser. It's a Chaser tee, size medium. And it says it's leopard, and here it says $57, but I do get the 20% off, so my price would be $45.60, which is kind of pricey for a t-shirt. But we'll see. Yeah, I'll definitely try this on and see how it looks. Okay, next. Okay, it's a tank top. Just a kind of basic striped tank top. I think that's a good layering piece. It's by Allison Joy. This is in a size small, and it's marked down to $19.99. So my price would be $15.99. Wow, so that is an excellent price. And Allison Joy is one of the brands that you always see from Trendsend. And I think it's a really good brand. You see this has more texture. It is a little bit on the thin side, so I don't know if it's going to be sheer. But yeah, just a good basic. Okay, and next, okay. Oh wow, these are cool. So these are by Sanctuary. and these are, I know she mentioned it in her note, they're the pull-on trooper pants, size medium, and my price would be $71.99 because they were on sale. The regular price on this is $119. So here's what they look like. So hopefully they won't be too long because it would be hard to hem something like this because of the detail on the bottom. But yeah, I think these are fun. Ooh, and the last thing in this bundle, wow, look at this sweater. It's a little bit heavy, but oh, I think it's really cute. Check out these stripes. See? And yeah, this is by HEARTLOOM, and it's also on sale. The original price on this was $88. It was marked down to $55.99, and my price would be $44.79. So that's not bad. Size medium. It does look really, this is kind of fun and cool. Yeah, so I think the thing with the Evereve store and Trendsend, they market towards moms. So I think these are for like cool moms. Yeah. Okay, next bundle. Okay, first up. Wow. Okay, it's a skirt and it's plaid. Huh. Did I like this? It's the plaid mini skirt and it's by PEYTON JENSEN, size medium. The original price on this is $68. It was marked down to $49.99, and my price would be $39.99. So that's not a bad price. Actually, I don't own any plaid skirts. I kind of don't wear skirts too often. But yeah, this is very cute. It's just stretchy and pull on. So let's see, we'll see how it looks. And last item in my Trendsend box. Okay, ooh, it's a sweater. Look at that. This is cute. Like it. It's a chenille sweater, so it's kind of chunky. Size small. It was $105 originally. It's marked down to $62.99. And this is by, ooh, it's by Cupcakes and Cashmere. That's a good brand, actually. And this is, my price would be $50.39. So basically less than half price for this beautiful sweater. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Trendsend box this month, and boy, I am very impressed. And let's see how everything looks on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the Chaser t-shirt, and this is just really, I think, a cute t-shirt. I like the shape of it, and yeah, I think it's just very nice. And I just have it with this gold Stella and dot necklace, and I have my Spanx jeggings that I got from Trendsend, I think it was like last month or the previous month, and some booties. But yeah, I think this is really nice. I like it, and it's nice and light, and I think it could be worn different ways. So yeah, not bad. Okay, so now I have on the Sanctuary army pants, or trooper pants, I think they call them. But yeah, these are really cool, and surprisingly, even though I'm really short, they're okay lengthwise. I mean, they fit okay. I probably could, I tried to wear like ankle boots, but I think these are a little long for the ankle boots. So I just paired them with some white sneakers, and I thought that looked like a fun kind of casual look. And sorry, Kaya is growling in the background. Sorry. Kaya, be nice. And okay, so here's what the pants look like, and they're kind of a heavier weight pant. I mean, they're a nice weight actually, I think. And yeah, and they're pull-on elastic with a drawstring. So yeah, I think this is cute, and I just paired it with that striped tank top and just tucked it in and put my silver Stella and Dot Rebel necklace. But yeah, I think this is a cute outfit. Yeah, I mean, now that I'm working at a more casual work environment, I mean, I could probably totally pull this off, believe it or not, even though it's super casual. But yeah, I mean, I think it's cute. Okay, so now here is that really cute striped sweater. It is a little big, so I kind of had to roll the sleeve in. I cuffed it. But, you know, it is super cute. I don't know how much wear I'd get to be honest though, in Hawaii. And one thing though, it is also, I think a medium might be a little big for me. I probably should size down to a small, but you know, this is a super cute sweater. So I just paired it with some white jeans. These are J. Crew, and some strappy sandals. But yeah, this is a really cute quality sweater, and you can always tell quality sweaters because the stripes always match up perfectly. But yeah, it is pretty. Okay, so here is the last outfit, and the Cupcakes and Cashmere sweater, which is actually really, really cute, and paired with the plaid skirt. And yeah, that is a very nice outfit. It is very warm, but I mean, you know, it's fine in an office because it's always air conditioned. But one thing I don't know about is this slit on the side. It does go a little high, so you probably want to wear like a cami underneath. And so I just have it paired with, these are my new Blondo boots that I do really like. And I think it would also look nice. I don't know if these are cutting me off or making my short legs look even shorter, but these would probably also look nice if I had something more like tan colored. But yeah, this is a very, I would say, nice outfit. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so wow, I thought this was another good box from Trendsend. I mean, that's actually 2 for 2 because the last box I got, I was really happy with. Right now, I'm not really sure what I'm going to be keeping. I think this sweater, although I really did like the style, it was just maybe a little too heavy for me. I don't think I'd get a lot of wear being in Hawaii. And right now, we're probably at our coldest time, so maybe I could wear it once before it basically gets too hot. So yes, this is cute, but I'm probably gonna have to send it back. I'm on the fence about this skirt. I thought it looked kind of cute, but let me know. Maybe it's too young for me. This tank top, I can make use of it, and for this price, I think it's worth keeping. I actually really like this leopard print t-shirt. I thought, you know what, this is cute, and $45 with my discount, not bad. I mean, it's high for a t-shirt, but I think you could actually dress this up and wear it with different things. I had it with some jeans. You could probably also wear it with maybe white or colored jeans. This Cupcakes and Cashmere sweater, oh, it's so soft and pretty, but maybe it is a little heavy, and also I'm not too sure about this slit, so I have to think about this. But it is really nice, and for the price, it was only $50 for this very nice sweater, and like I said, the retail is, what is it? It was $105, so it's more than 50% off. So yeah, this is very nice. I did really like these trooper pants. They're really different. I don't have any pants like this. They're kind of similar to those Tencel pants that I tried on. They were joggers from Amazon, but I kind of like this a little better. The material, it's a little bit more substantial. I don't think this will require as much ironing. I kind of like these, but let me know if you think it adds bulk, because it does have like all these pockets to the side. I mean, it is not slim, so it's probably not slimming. And I'm not like the tallest person in the world, by far. But, you know, I kind of like these. These are fun. It's something different. So we'll see. But anyway, let me know what you thought of the clothes and if you've tried Trendsend and what your experience has been. Overall, I thought this was another good box, and I'm sure that I'll be ordering from them again. I probably won't order like every month, but maybe every other month or quarterly is probably what I'm shooting for. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I also do outfit of the day. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.